So you don't want to go through the whole KYC hassle just to buy Bitcoin. Totally possible. Here's how. First, forget big exchanges like Coinbase or Binance. They all require ID. What you want is peer-to-peer platform. The most popular ones are Haro, Bisq, and Local Monero. These let you connect directly with sellers, no ID verification. Second, if you're using Haro or Bisq, you'll need to download their app or desktop client, create an account with just an email, and then browse offers. You can pay sellers through bank transfer, gift cards, or even cash depending on what they accept. Third, always use platform with escrow protection. That way your Bitcoin is locked until the sellers confirm payment. Fourth, once you get a Bitcoin, withdraw immediately to a non-custodial wallet, like Electrum or Trust Wallet or a hardware wallet. Don't leave it on the platform. And a quick heads up, anonymous usually means you'll pay a small premium compared to regular exchanges, but the trade-off is privacy and no KYC trail. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.